Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to transfer Solana from crypto.com to your Phantom wallet. So first and foremost, what you're going to do is simple. Open up your Phantom wallet. Now on your Phantom wallet, click on receive button over here. Now once on the receive button, come to Solana over here, the first one. Now copy the Solana address over here. So once you're done copying the Solana address, head back to your crypto.com over here. Then once on your crypto.com, you'll have to input your passcode to confirm that it's you who is accessing your account. So quickly I'll input my passcode over here. Okay. So after inputting my passcode, I'll click on send. So after clicking on send over here, as you can see, I don't have enough Solana coins, but if you have enough Solana coins, you just go ahead and click on send and then click on the Solana coin and then paste the address over there, and you'll be able to send or transfer your Solana from crypto.com to your Phantom wallet. So guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet once again.